Good day everyone, this is Jarjar once again and welcome to my channel. It's the weekend and I just want to cook a simple meatball soup noodle for lunch. Here are the ingredients. The meatball is a mix of minced pork, prawns and celery. I would begin by frying the egg in a pot. When it is brown and crispy, add some hot water. Add the shimeji mushrooms first as they take a longer time to soften. Next, add the fish cake followed by the meatballs. Then add the bean sprouts and the lettuce. And finally add the noodles. Add some seasoning powder, give it a quick mix, and the soup noodle is ready to be served. Add some cut chili. I have also cooked a bowl of soup teow for my mom. Let's eat! Thank you for watching my cooking video. Please like, share and subscribe and I will see you again in the next video. Bye!